One more question. For
Sure.
installation, how much space is required for this? Should be on
What
top of
capacity,
the
sir?
space or underground we can keep it?
It has to be done underground only.
Underground. Okay.
Underground only. What capacity are we talking about?
Like ours only, our requirement is only 10 villas are there, ours.
Acha, okay. So I suppose now all of you are from the same community. Is it like that?
I think so.
I think yes.
Okay. I didn't
Yeah.
realize that. I'm very sorry about this. Okay, I didn't realize that. Okay. Okay. Fine. See, 10 KLD STP would have dimensions of 2 meters diameter and 4.5 meters length. This has to be installed underground. There are multiple installation options available when we are going underground. One is, if space is available, we'll put it in one corner and install it in the lowest level of our community, like wherever the sewage is going to come. Your builder might have already given some kind of drain line or a soak pit or a septic tank, something you would have planned. Right. In that locality, we'll put up. If this level is too low, that means the possibility of this STP getting flooded is extremely high. Then using the same existing tank, we just put the STP on above the ground, put a pump and pump the sewage into the STP. But here, the moment we put a pump, one is capital cost is going up. Second is the possibility of a failure is also increasing. Now, when that happens, you need a little bit more maintenance. The third possibility is we can also install it in such a way, in case where there is no space, that it can be kept below a car parking or below a road also. There are multiple possibilities depending on the site conditions. So this is where we normally send our technician, get it evaluated, what kind of installation is feasible for this site, practical for this site. So what do you have at your end? Do you have sufficient space, maybe 4 meters by 2 meters or 5 meters by 2 meters, that is 10 square meters of land?
Naresh, you can guide him. Hello? Yeah, Naresh?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
The technician has suggested, he visited the place, right? He said we have enough space.
Okay.
Next to the septic tank that we have right now.
Right. Great. Because gravity flow is the easiest one. The water should come in through gravity and get out through gravity.
Yes.
That is the easiest one.